Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to select all similar shapes in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to select the all similar shape. At first, go to the shapes slide. We can see here many shapes, but some shapes is similar. Now we want to select the similar shape. At first, select a shape, then press and hold the shift on your keyboard, then select another similar shape. Now we can see we select similar shape very easily. You can select any shape using the same process. Otherwise, you can select all. Go to the home menu, then click the select option and choose select all object. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.